During our hike in Pinnacles National Park, we came across these unusual trees with lots of holes filled with a nut each. And we then saw who was actually doing that filling. This little woodpecker guy is sticking seeds in these holes, presumably for the winter. It's hard to tell if it's a she or a he, but the bird is obviously in a hurry to pack as much as possible because, it's October and it's starting to already get cold. I can't get over how pretty this site is, but it must be also amazing for the seeds to be able to stay for years to come. Enjoy.